A major announcement from the LA District Attorney. The USC student who police say stabbed and killed an alleged car burglar on campus will not be charged. KCAL News reporter Lauren Posen live in University Park, and she spoke to a relative of the man who was killed. Lauren?
Well, Juan, you have two families here that are in very different situations. You have one happy that their son is home and safe. You have another grieving that their son is killed. I spoke with the uncle of the man who was killed, and he told me the DA got this wrong and does not feel this was self-defense.
An act of self-defense. District Attorney George Cascone says that is why his office is not pressing charges against USC student 19-year-old Ivan Gallegos, who fatally stabbed a man police say was homeless and allegedly breaking into cars on Greek Row Monday night. But Datorian Jones, the uncle of 28-year-old victim Xavier Surf, says his nephew's death is not justified.
It's like they overwhelm the future of this kid at USC versus an unknown homeless guy at the time, before they acknowledge who he really was.
In charging documents, the district attorney says security video showed Surf breaking into a Mercedes-Benz outside Gallegos' fraternity. Prosecutors say Gallegos and two other witnesses went outside. Gallegos armed with a knife, one carrying a large wooden stick and the other calling 911 when they saw Surf inside one of the cars. Prosecutors say Surf opened the car door, said he was armed and reached for his waist. Gallegos grabbed his hand thinking he had a gun. And that's when prosecutors say he stabbed Surf 4 times. In a statement, the district attorney says the witnesses' accounts and the independent evidence supports Mr. Gallegos' claim he acted with the actual and reasonable belief that deadly force was necessary to protect him and the others from being shot by Surf.
Ivan said from the very beginning he was in fear of his life and it was self-defense. We believed him, the family believed him, and thank God, DA Gascon believed him.
A former federal attorney not associated with the case says in California, self-defense is an absolute defense to a crime.
If the person reasonably believes they're in imminent risk of death or serious bodily injury, in that case, they can even kill someone and they won't be prosecuted.
Surf's uncle sharing these pictures of his nephew. Jones says his nephew was not armed or homeless and says his death is nothing short of reckless.
It's not self-defense when you are unarmed. I'm so sorry. That doesn't give you the right. And even if he was in some cars, I think they took justice in their own hands at the wrong matters where they should have called the police and let them do their job.
Jones says Surf moved here from Texas to Los Angeles to pursue a career in social media. He also told me that he was suffering from a mental illness. Reporting live at University Park, Lauren Posen, KCAL News.
Lauren, thank you. Well, let's bring in assignment editor Mike Rogers at the desk. And Mike, you